5, Subject EVS, Lesson 9, Disease Carriers, Module 3. Objectives: to understand life cycle of houseflies, comparison between life cycle of housefly and mosquitoes, diseases caused by them, preventive measures. Let's move. Dear children, in our last module we had studied about mosquitoes, right? Today in this module we are going to study about houseflies. Where we can see these houseflies? Homeowners typically find housefly eggs in moist, decaying organic material like trash, grass clippings or feces. While there is no particular breeding season for houseflies, the humid pre-monsoon days, or more specifically mango and jackfruit season, are a peak fly infestation period, say entomologists. Comparison between life cycle of housefly and mosquito. Dear children, please watch the pictures given here or the life cycle of housefly and mosquito and find out the difference between it. The main difference is that in the case of housefly, it has 3 larval stages, while in the case of mosquito, it has 4 larval stages. And the mosquitoes will be there in the water itself during its egg and larva stage till the pupa stage. You can see the blue color representation. It denotes water pockets. And in the case of housefly, they are laying eggs in the garbages. So they are having its life cycle through the garbages. Okay. Interesting facts about housefly. Housefly lay its eggs in the garbage. Female flies deposits more than 100 at a time, 600 to 1000 eggs in her life. Eggs of housefly hatch within 24 hours. Larvae of housefly are called maggots. Houseflies feed on all kind of food, even human feces, and ripened fruits are its favorite item. Now let us see how the houseflies spread diseases. Houseflies spread diseases by, first they feed on filthy matters. After feeding on filthy matters, they carry disease-causing germs on their wings and legs, and when they go and sit on our food item, they transfer these disease-causing germs to our food when they come and sit on it. This way the houseflies spread diseases. So we should cover our food items in the kitchen always to prevent from the diseases spread by houseflies. And also using covered waste baskets help us to eradicate houseflies from our houses. Disease transmitted by houseflies. Which are the diseases transmitted by houseflies? One is dysentery, diarrhea, typhoid, cholera, certain worm infections, poliomyelitis, eye infection, and skin infection are caused by the houseflies, or these diseases are transmitted by houseflies. So be aware of it. How can we control flies, or what are the methods we can use or measures or preventive measures regarding houseflies? Let's see. Avoiding open defecation, keeping dungs, fish meal and other such manures covered, installing fly screens, a proper waste management system. Okay. Typhoid and cholera are potentially life-threatening infectious diseases and are mainly transmitted through the consumption of food drink, or water that have been contaminated by feces or urine. Presence of too many houseflies is a clear indicator of poor hygiene. So, maintaining hygienic premises and observing hygienic practices are the cornerstones of any civilized society. How can we avoid diseases? So, dear children, we can avoid diseases by practicing these points: avoiding contaminated food and liquids, hygienic premises, taking hot drinks, and also avoiding disclosed fruits and food displayed in open space. So these are the ways to avoid diseases. So that's all for today. We had finished our chapter, and the follow-up activity for this module is draw the life cycle of mosquito and housefly. Thank you. Have a nice day.